So we just got back from spending the weekend in California, and we are greeted with a snowstorm. Everything is starting to turn white and pile up. See, look at Rocco! He's got snow all over him. I don't know how well you can see this, but it is snowing and windy and super cold. But at the same time, it's kind of awesome. Got snow all over me now. Ah! Crazy, we just had to tarp the trailer so we didn't get the desk we just brought back. Came back and the Jeep has a flat tire, but we'll deal with that later. But it's so crazy. Snow, our first time experiencing it at the property. It's so cool. We have snow. Wow, we have some really big snowflakes too. Mm-hmm. So cool. Good like ½ inch.
Oh yeah. Oh man, hold on. Clean this lens. I don't know if the camera can pick this up. But it is coming down pretty good out here. It's really pretty, honestly. Really cold, obviously. And I know, you know, some parts of the country, this is like nothing. This is barely coming down. But me and Ashley are not used to this. Both growing up in Southern California, close to the ocean, we don't get snow like this. We don't get any snow. But out here, it's a different story. Completely different story. It's honestly pretty cool. Wish we were a little bit more prepared and set up for it. But we're making it work. It's making it work. And now the sun's out. Look at this. Beautiful. That direction it's still really gray. I think it's coming our way. But over there, sun's out. So we're gonna take advantage of the sunlight and get our solar panel out and get as much power into the solar generator as possible. Also our solar cooler, which is upstairs. So I need to bust out. Damn, even snow got down here. I need to bust this thing out. The 400 watt anchor panel. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet though. All right. So obviously, you know, I'm out here. I got the 400 watt panel out, and as soon as I get everything all nice and set up, you know, the clouds start rolling in. Look at this, you know. So we had a small window and now it's going away. But you know, we got some power back into the solar generator, which is good, and into the cooler. So things are working, and we actually have, this is the Starlink satellite. That's how we're able to upload videos, you know, get on the internet, obviously. But yeah, it's been crazy. We woke up, crazy snow, crazy storm. Maybe not storm, but just craziness. Everything all white out here, and now it's all melted away. It's all muddy out there. Ground is super soft, but yeah, it's all melted away. This morning I did my normal little fire in this little fire pit thing, whatever it's called. Just, you know, chopped up a branch with this hatchet and made some kindling, got a fire going. You know, I just used the torch right here to get it going. We had nice warm coffee this morning. Down here is still a wreck. We have not got down here to start organizing yet, which is, you know, it is what it is. You know, we're kind of working on the wood burning stove. We're trying to get that going, and other things. Trying to get comfortable and trying to organize and trying to unpack. There's just like a lot of bouncing around, and I guess, you know, that's kind of normal whenever you move. You know, whenever you're moving your stuff, you're kind of still, you still got life to deal with, and then trying to unpack and organize and get comfortable and all of that, on top of being, well, for us, on top of being off grid. You know, things are a lot more difficult. Just like, you know, simple things like power and water. Luckily we're okay, and we're making it work and just enjoying it the best we can. So we are grateful to have these solar products, you know. The products are by Anchor, and you can get them from Signature Solar. We work with them, and it's great. We've been happy with them. I'll show you what's going on upstairs. So that's the 400 watt down there powering the solar generator right there, and then we have the 100 watt panel connected to the cooler, the fridge, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, you know, when we get a little bit of sunlight, you know, we take advantage of it for sure. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out any of these products, you can click the link in the video description, signaturesolar.com. They have all types of solar products, including these Anchor products. And then we are affiliated with them. We do get a small commission if you do decide to get something. No extra cost to you. But yeah, it helps us out, you know. We like the product, so we're going to use them, and we're going to put them to the test. And we will eventually have a full solar array and batteries and like legit power system. And we purchased the stuff. We just haven't set it up yet. You know, one thing at a time. It's just me and Ashley, and there's a lot to do and a lot to learn and figure out. You know, unfortunately, we know we don't have a crew of people we can just hire to, you know, get what we need. We just gotta tough it out until we're able to get to, you know, that particular project, like the solar array project. But one other thing we did get when we went to back home to California to visit family for the weekend. While we're out there, I picked up 2 more IBC totes. These ones are pretty brand new and in good condition. They need to be cleaned out. They were food grade. There was like fish oil or something like that in there. But you can see the other ones. Let's see, way back there. Those are the 3 that came with the property. So now we have a total of 5. You know, so eventually we'll get to that. We'll have plenty of water storage. That's definitely something to come. But for today, this is just a snow day. We're not used to it. We're just kind of adapting to how the seasons are out here. I'm honestly surprised that everything melted away. It was freaking white out here, and now it's just like back to normal, just cold. But you know, look at these clouds. It's definitely gonna come back, and we'll probably just be kind of somewhat snowed in again. But yeah, thank you for following us along, and you know, all the support. Please you know, hit the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you know, share it if you can. You know, share it with some friends or anybody interested in following our journey. We'd appreciate all the support.
Oh, so this is a real snow day, guys. We woke up and we probably got like a good 2.5 inches overnight, and it's still going. According to the weather forecast, it will be like this all day long. Like, look at these trees. Like, these are really white trees. This is insane. It definitely was not like this yesterday, and we thought yesterday we got a good amount of snow. This is crazy. Look at the cars. They're caked. Love it. So pretty. Our driveway looks magical. Like, just do those white trees and the roads all white. The snow's getting so heavy on the trees you could see it falling off periodically. How funny. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit. I think that's why, though. The trees are shaking off the snow. But it is so cool. Like, this is insane. Look at my footsteps. They go down about 3 inches. This side definitely got hit the most. A little snow on our window seal. But this is crazy. There's the riverbed. Fully covered. It is really pretty, but super freaking cold. Might have to convince Andrew to go on a side-by-side ride. Check out the trail. Just because I think it's fun. Look how freaking cool. And then it's snowing so much towards Flagstaff that you can't see like past our first tree line. Really, you could barely see out in the distance. The wind definitely just started to pick up, and it's getting colder out here. But it's truly a beautiful white wonderland today.
Hoo-wee. So we're down here just bringing some stuff down, dishes and stuff. But look at this. I think we got maybe what, 2-3 inches?
Yeah, I think a solid 3 inches.
And look at the Bronco, man, covered. I don't think she's ever been in snow like that, not since I've had it. But we're thinking of going to the container, grabbing the generator and firing that thing up, because we don't have much power.
And we don't have any sunlight.
And no sunlight, so we
To
can't
charge.
we can't charge the solar equipment without sun.
I
So
almost want to do a snow angel, but I didn't have my right pants on. I don't want to get these all soaked.
don't do it. Just make another snowman, a real snowman with arms and a nose.
Look at this starling.
I think it's buried. Ooh, ooh, careful.
It's a little slippery there. Wow. It's got like a solid 3 inches on it.
Nice, pretty, fluffy snow.
It is.
Shit, I'm about to put some of this in one of those barrels. And this is like, instead of rainwater collection, this is snow water collection.
We should just open it and let it fill up. Look at the top of like the 15-gallon one. It's already got like 4 inches on it.
All right. So also when we were in town, the same guy who sold us these IBC totes had these very cool little 15-gallon buckets, also food grade. So I was like, yeah, hook me up with those. And I got 2 55-gallon metal drums. Which once again, the guy just had them, and I'm like, man, storage out here, I'll take whatever I can get. So, dang, look at this.
Like mushrooms.
Look at this. That's how much snowfall. It's pretty deep.
Yeah. I feel like this is like almost 4 inches.
Yep.
The stairs too. Like, I mean the tables, but the stairs.
Yeah, it's like a thing of...
Obviously we've been stepping down them, but
Our water's frozen.
oh, for sure. We got an icicle.
Well, I don't know, I can kind of squeeze it.
We got a mini icicle.
We're geeking out on the snow because we don't get snow. For us, it's a trip to go visit snow, to go see it, if we want to be in it. So we're geeking out over here.
Oh, it's ice. A layer of ice.
Yep. Oh, they unscrew?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. I'm legit, like I'm about to scoop all the snow off these tables and put it in there. I wonder if that's a thing, snow water collection.
I mean, it melts, right?
Yeah, it should be clean. It's just the same as water, just frozen. I mean, same as rain, just frozen. Well, woo!
It's so pretty and white. I'm like a little kid.
Yes, having fun though. That's all that matters.
So cool.
Our cabin kind of looks like a junkyard right now. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine. I like want to just fucking organize it and clean it and clear it out. But not today. Not today.
Oh my god, it's so muddy underneath this cabin too. You can just see it.
Everywhere. I hope our cushions were waterproof.
I don't think they are.
Whoops. Oh well. All right, so we got a little more geared up, you know, a little more extra geared up, and we're gonna go try to retrieve the generator. Just in case things get a little more crazy and we need it, we're gonna do it now. Yeah, that's the game plan.
Look how beautiful this fresh powder looks.
Yeah, you couldn't tell you're about to trip on a big ass rock.
And we're walking into it, so we are getting covered. Look at me, covered in snow right now.
Yeah.
Man, we might have some trouble opening up the container.
Well, we don't need to open it.
Oh, the generator's over here.
Right here, covered up. I have it covered up under the tarp and a blanket and stuff, so.
Okay. This is insane. Look at this tree, just covered. The cabin looks really pretty though. So crazy. Just white powder. Yeah, Andrew did a really good job of covering up all of our tools that we're keeping outside. You can actually see some ground, some dirt, because it was so nicely covered. The tarp and then the moving blankets.
I think I'm gonna put the moving blanket in here.
Okay. We got some other stuff underneath here too that we're protecting. And then all of this stuff is stuff that can be outdoors. But it's kind of crazy. I don't even see any like animal footprints, any sign of anything walking around out here. Not that you really could anyways, because I was out here earlier and you couldn't even see my footprints after about an hour. Alright, here comes the fun part. Luckily this thing's got some nice sized wheels on it.
It's heavy.
It is heavy.
Okay.
Okay, here, take this so I can put these on.
Woo! So, hey, look at my hood. This is a nice snow jacket I got on.
Didn't think you were gonna need it.
Didn't think I was gonna use it. But we're gonna try to drag this all the way back to the cabin. I think we gotta turn the camera off for now, just so we can work. Okay. Woo! A little bit out of breath, but we did it. We dragged it over here, and this is Firman. This is our tri-fuel generator that I bought. Also pre-owned, but it was in really good condition. So this one takes gasoline, propane, and a natural gas setup. Be honest, I've only fired it up like, you know, maybe 4 or 5 times. Never actually used it, but did he come out?
Yeah, he had to poo.
Oh, well, that's good. Where's he at? Rocco is upstairs going crazy. He's got his little snow jacket on too. I'll film him after he's done handling business.
There you go. Look at him.
Rocco! What's up, dude?
You got snow all over him.
He's got his snow jacket and his turtleneck. Woo! Okay, we're gonna play with some stuff, and then I don't know. We're just kind of messing around. See what happens. We're just kind of messing around today, I guess. So I got it running. This is my first time really using this. To me, the RPM is kind of high. I don't know if this is normal or not. All right, so I got the generator running, right? So now I'm gonna go look for an extension cord, and we're gonna plug in the solar generator battery pack, because that thing's down to only like 11%. So we're gonna fire up the generator to give power to that. Get that with some power. And then same with our solar cooler, you know, plug that thing in, get that some power, and then we should be good for a while. But I think I have some extension cords, I think over here. At least I thought I did. Under all of this. I should have a bag right here, I think. There we go. Move it from the snow to put it back in another pile of snow. Okay. All right. I'll just sit this down. And there's another bag of stuff. Let's see. Yes, here we go. There we go. That's what I needed. I knew I had it somewhere. Maybe I'll put this under here. Fuck, I don't want to get muddy. Not quite prepared for this. This is like a bag of rope and straps and random stuff. Okay. Okay. Got the extension cord. I have other extension cords up there, but they're smaller. They're like 6 footers or something like that. 8 footers. I need something longer. Look at this. Snow day. Oh, excuse me. Snow day for sure. And like, you know, obviously it's cold out. But this jacket is fucking doing great. I feel great. My feet are probably cold. My feet are cold. And my hands. So, okay. I'm gonna get this going, run the cord up there, plug everything in, and do another update. All right, so, woo! As you can hear, we got the generator running. Got the extension cord. It's going upstairs. It's charging the solar generator. There's about, I think it was 135 watts going in, charging it up. The generator only has a half a tank of gas, and we don't have any more gasoline. I have a gas can, but we didn't get gas. Luckily, this generator also runs on propane, and we do have, I guess, like 2 full propane tanks, so we should be good. I think the snow is supposed to stop by, I think, tomorrow, midday tomorrow, and then we're good for a couple days. Hopefully the roads aren't too muddy, and we can get into town, because we need parts for the wood stove. We need gas now for the generator, you know, just supplies. So far so good. Again, I'm not familiar with this brand of generator, and to me it feels like it's like the RPM is a little bit high, and it should just be like at an idle, like, unless, you know, you're drawing power from the generator, then it kind of ramps up the RPM to give you the power you need, and usually it drops down to a very low idle. This one seems to be staying at a, I mean, it sounds like a higher RPM. It might just be this generator, I don't know. So I'm kind of hanging out just to make sure, I don't know, nothing crazy happens. No. So I went to the container and I grabbed some tools to adjust the idle. To me it sounds a little bit lower. I don't know if on camera it sounds lower or not. If the RPM sounds lower. So yeah, I don't know if that needed to be adjusted, if something happened, maybe the previous owner did something, you know, I have no idea. This is really our first time using it. Like I said, I fired it up a few times just to make sure it runs and things like that, but we haven't really used it for anything. Got something in my mouth. So this is our first time really trying it out and running it for probably a few hours, to be honest. So it sounds a little better. I'm gonna give it like, I don't know, 30-45 minutes and just Let's check on it.
Take a trip outside. Haven't been out here in a couple of hours. You wanna come, Rocco? Come on. Rocco, come on. Come on. He's not a fan. Come on. Come on. Wow. It is snowing like crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this pile up. Insane. I could build like a whole snowman with just the snow right here. Wow, look at our stairs. It's crazy. Wowzers. Look how pretty our driveway is though. I probably have said that like 3 times already, but it is so pretty. Look at this. And look how deep my footsteps are. We are a good 6 inches in now. Side by side is covered. The seats, everything, the dash, all covered. So crazy. Rocco went back upstairs. He said, no, thank you. Wow. Look at how much snow is on these trees. Insane. There's juniper berries in there. You can see them. Wowzers. This is crazy. Look at the snow coming off of the Jeep. Wow. It's almost hard to walk in. That's how deep it is. Look at Jeep is just getting piled. Oh, look at that. Crazy. Wow. Yeah, tons of freaking snow today. It has not stopped at all. Not even once. Not even for a little bit. Just snowing like crazy. Rocco wants to go back inside. Andrew's back there, working in his container. Snow's starting to melt. Well, maybe it was. Got the generator going. Oh, I'm just getting cold. Alright, I'm being crazy and taking a walk out into the snow. Look how beautiful the trees look with all the snow on them. This is our driveway, so I know there's rock over here, so I know it's not gonna be as muddy, but look how cool. You would think it would be like December or something. It's so crazy, so pretty. I'm bundled up, frozen slightly, and just woke up, but it's okay. This is so exciting. So pretty. is quite magical. There's the cabin. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm covered in snow. It's so cool. Oh man, my fingers are frozen. It's a bit chilly, but wow, so much freaking snow. And I don't know if you could see it or not, but it is still snowing right now. This is not ending. These trees look so cool. Look at the juniper berries. They look quite beautiful in the snow. Really cool. It's kind of amazing to see our property like this because in the summertime it is hot. So there's a huge swing in seasons, which obviously Andrew and I are not used to yet. But it's exciting, at least for the first time. There is no way I can be around all of this beautiful snow and not build a little snowman. He's silly looking. He's got juniper arms. He's got the black rock buttons. I gave him juniper berry eyes and a carrot nose. He's just missing a scarf, which I don't think I really have anything to put a scarf or a hat on him. But there's my little guy. The end of a crazy snow day. So pretty.
Look at the sky.